Welcome to the Glass Studio. I'm Jeannie Gomm, and we are doing stay-at-home projects for the next couple of days. And this is just a little bird with in a birdhouse, and I just wanted to show you all of this, the different colors that I chose. Okay.
A lot of times Jeannie and I will divide and conquer. I'll do the cutting and she'll do the grinding. And oh boy, we're able to get a lot done.
I like when we do that. Work together, get things done. So you're starting out with the pink. This is going to be just one of the flower petals.
We have a big piece laid out over on the other table. How many pieces are in that design?
I will show you. 236.
I think she's pretty good. We were frantically trying to get her done a couple weeks ago, but now they have postponed the show, so we have more time to get it going. But we do have a friend who's helping with the sandblasting for her face, and
yeah, well, we did the sandblasting. He's going to be helping us with the airbrush. He said what he would like to do is just watch me and let me do it. So we shall see.
We really like this guy. He is a very accomplished artist.
Okay, so David's got a few cut out, so I'm going to go and grind them.
Hey. So one of the things I like to do while I'm cutting is I try to sweep often. This is a wallpaper brush. These used to be cheap. When we first started in the stained glass business, you could get these for $2 or $3 each. Now they're about $7. But they really are handy because they got the nice, the bristles are very firm, and they sweep really well. Okay, so this one I'm going to cut out with a ring saw. Now I don't really need to cut it with a ring saw. This angle and circle could be done by hand successfully, but since I have one, I might as well use it. Now what I do when I'm using a ring saw is I pull down on the ring a couple of times the first time I use it. that kind of moves the belt in there around, and so I don't have as much tension on it as I turn it on. Okay, and so now I can get it on to this grinder. Okay, the blade cut into here just slightly, and I wanted to get that nice and rounded and smooth so that it doesn't have a pressure point when I'm soldering it.
So here is the finished product of our little birdhouse that we put together this week. And you can get a free pattern for this on our website, and there will be a link for that. So have fun with that. There are about 30 pieces, and some of them are pretty tiny. So if you want to put a couple of them together, or not have some of these little ones at all, that's up to you.
Now I want to mention that brown one that I cut on the saw, you could cut that right in half, and it'd be much easier to cut. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so now we're going to talk about these little guys. So these are 3D birds that you can get the pattern for these on our Etsy account. And this one is a robin. You can tell by the red breast, some brown over here, and it's sitting on a leaf. So that one is very cute. Or you can do a bluebird with the same dimensions and same pattern, just with some different colored blue glass. And he is so cute too. Or with the same pattern except for this head. The head is a little bit different because this is a cardinal, and of course the cardinal's head is a little different, and so this will show up on the pattern also as but that's the only difference. The rest is the same, and so that's also one that's 3D that you can find on the website.
And that's only $1 on our Etsy.
What a deal!
So there you go.
So thanks for being with us, making little birds this week. And I hope that you enjoy them, and I hope it brings, even though there's snow outside, that it brings a little bit of springtime to your stained glass studio. Thanks for joining us.
Now, did you want to show the wild bird of paradise here?
Go right ahead. Yeah, that's the bird of paradise that's part of Erete, which is the goddess of excellence.
And there she is. Okay.